Welcome to Going for Green, the breakthrough customer care program from Veolia Transport. As part of our commitment to our customers, employees, and passengers, we've developed this proprietary training program built to meet the unique needs of the transportation business. Going for Green gives employees practical, powerful tools to view situations from a customer's perspective and to listen actively and respond effectively to his or her emotional state. Employees learn to assess a customer's emotional state using a simple analogy, the city traffic light. Red represents distress, yellow represents unease or confusion, and green represents confidence and well-being.
I've been in the transit industry for 25 years and I've seen lots of different programs, but I think that the concepts of the red and yellow and green, and operators can really grasp that.
Out there when you're driving, you got the red light, green light, and yellow light. So it's funny because every time I see those, I think about the going for green.
Once employees learn to identify a passenger's emotional state, they are taught how to respond appropriately to bring someone who is in the red or in the yellow into the green. Techniques are taught through extensive role-playing and practice.
We also, during our training program, emphasize very heavily how our staff feel as customers.
It's a common sense approach. It is putting yourself in the shoes of the passenger. How would you feel? If you're in a new city and a new service and you don't understand it, you want that employee to be able to help you.
It taught me to be a lot more understanding towards people's needs every day.
It makes you think about things, it makes you think about passengers, it makes you think about yourself and what you need.
The Going for Green program empowers employees with the tools to deal with the actual situations and challenges they encounter every day.
It takes a lot of the stress and strain out of the job when people are equipped with the proper tools to interact with people.
When they're in a red environment or when the passenger's in a red environment, they know how to bring that passenger to a green environment.
Drivers are telling me that it's easier to deal with the public now, following the success of Going for Green.
I think this training helps me to try and get the passenger into the green zone and make them more comfortable.
It let me know for sure that I am somebody who's sitting in that seat that can make or break somebody's day.
Unlike many customer service training programs, employees retain the principles of this program long after the training has ended and use them both at work and at home.
Going for Green has been very successful in developing a culture that in Going for Green we're going for a higher standard of public transport.
The program was developed by staff, for staff. It's about commitment, it's about teamwork, it's about respect. It's about everyone making a difference, from the general manager to a customer service officer to a driver.
Going for Green is an investment that endures in the minds and habits of employees. The program pays important dividends with better customer care and less of the risk and cost associated with highly unsatisfied customers.
We've had a lot of customer service classes. This one we remember.
Dublin, Ireland's Luas light rail line transports 26 million passengers per year, and the location was the pilot site for the Going for Green training program in 2005.
Luas, our light rail system, has been in operation now going on 3 years, and it's been an amazing success. And I think Going for Green has helped that to a very large extent.
The training is given to all of our staff, our drivers, our customer service officers and our management team.
74% of those trained were very satisfied with the training, and 85% believe they can make a difference in creating a positive experience for the customer. Satisfaction levels have increased with Luas customers as well.
I see within Dublin that Going for Green has led to extremely high customer satisfaction rates.
Last year, 2006, we had a customer satisfaction rate of 89%, which is very, very high in the transport business.
And I've seen the level of commendations or recommendations or praise coming in for our staff has definitely increased since we started rolling out the Going for Green program.
In 2006, 75% of passengers rated Luas customer service officers as very good or extremely good, a 16% increase over 2005. Most encouraging, in 2006, Luas saw a 40% decrease from 2005 in general customer complaints.
The staff turnover is dramatically lower than what would be expected. Other transport providers are now requesting the program
I was delighted that Veolia had taken the initiative to do this. It has raised the bar for quality of public transport in Dublin.
All 1,400 operators in Las Vegas, Nevada received the Going for Green training program. 75% rated it excellent, and an overwhelming 98% rated the program excellent or very good. An amazing 97% rated the program highly applicable to their daily interactions.
Operators are more excited to come to work. Their attitudes are different.
I noticed that I'm writing a lot less disciplines.
The trends are looking good in terms of what the customer comments were a year ago or the months previous to this program.
In the months after the training, customer complaints about operator attitude decreased 34% from the comparable period the previous year. And while on-time performance improved 8% over the previous year, customer complaints about lateness decreased by 5 times that amount, a surprising 44% decrease over the prior year. What does this mean? Even though the on-time performance was only somewhat better, more helpful, communicative drivers were able to greatly reduce the negative feelings customers had about late buses. Going for Green empowers employees to improve their interpersonal skills and take better care of passengers. By making this investment, Veolia demonstrates its commitment to integrity, performance, and care for passengers, transit authorities, and its people.